the beginning, before nations, before kings, before history itself, there was only God, and by His word He created the heavens and the earth. Light broke through darkness, oceans formed, land appeared, and life filled the world. But among all creation, God desired something more, a being made in His own image. From the dust of the ground, God formed a man and breathed into him the breath of life. That man was Adam, the first human. God placed Adam in a beautiful garden called Eden, a paradise filled with rivers, trees, and every good thing needed for life. Adam was given authority over the animals and the responsibility to care for the garden. Yet despite all this beauty, God said something surprising. It is not good for man to be alone, so God caused Adam to fall into a deep sleep. From Adam's side he formed a woman, Eve. She was not created from Adam's head to rule over him, nor from his feet to be beneath him, but from his side to walk with him. Adam and Eve lived together in harmony, without shame, without fear, and without sin. In the middle of the garden stood two special trees, the tree of life and the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God gave them only one command. They were free to eat from every tree except one. The tree of knowledge was forbidden. God warned them that eating its fruit would bring death. But lurking in the garden was a deceiver. One day, a serpent approached Eve and questioned God's command. Did God really say you must not eat from any tree in the garden? The serpent twisted the truth, planting doubt in Eve's heart. He told her that eating the fruit would not bring death, but wisdom, that she would become like God. Eve looked at the fruit. It was pleasing to the eye, desirable and tempting. She ate it. Then she gave some to Adam, and he ate as well. In that moment, everything changed. Their eyes were opened, but not in the way they expected. Instead of wisdom, they felt shame. They realized they were naked and hid themselves from God. For the first time, fear entered the human heart. When God came walking in the garden, He called out, "Where are you?" Not because He didn't know, but because humanity had broken their relationship with Him. Adam blamed Eve, Eve blamed the serpent, and sin entered the world. God pronounced judgment. The serpent was cursed. Pain and struggle entered human life. Death became part of existence, and Adam and Eve were banished from the Garden of Eden, separated from the tree of life. Yet even in judgment, God showed mercy. He clothed Adam and Eve, covering their shame, and He promised that one day, a descendant of the woman would crush the serpent's head. A promise of redemption that pointed to the future. Adam and Eve left Eden, not just as sinners, but as the parents of all humanity. Their story is a warning about disobedience, but also a reminder of God's grace, patience, and plan to restore what was lost. And that is how humanity's story began. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Bible stories.